So yun guys, nandito pa rin tayo sa supermarket, SM. Nandito tayo ngayon sa vegetables and fruits section. Grabe, ang mahal ng paninda guys. Tingnan nyo yung gulay. Ang mahal guys. Tulad nitong sayote, 66. Di ba ang mahal? Sa akin na lang walang nagmamahal guys. Ashing! Sitaw, 36. Grabe kamatis guys, oh. 60 pesos. Oh my. Sibuyas, 56. Luya, 58. So, marami ditong gulay, guys. Hindi na natin siya may isa-isa. Ayun yung fruit section. And veggies on the fridge. Nasa cold area section. Yun. Ito yung mga fruits na naka-packs, guys. Apple, 182. Grabe, mahal, guys. Sa kanilang walang nagmamahal. Ashing! Ito pa fruits, guys. Lemon, apple, grapes. Mangoes. Sino mga nangangasin, guys? With bagoong. Ito masarap, guys. Dragon fruit, avocado, singkamas, melon, papaya, Indian mango, guyabano. So, ayan, marami ditong prutas, guys. Nasaan na kaya yung kasama ko? Nawala na, guys. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Ingat kayong lahat. Sa mga supporters ko dyan, maraming salamat. Reactors, commenters. Let's grow all together. Let's connect to each other. Ingat po ang lahat guys. Thank you for watching. Nasaan na kaya yung kasama ko? So, yun lang guys. Bye! Thank you for watching. God bless!